Hello guys and girls, I'm running to another video. My name is Mr. B. It's currently raining outside, so I've got my hoodie up. Anyways, it's really nice out here. Anyways, today, had a letter come through in my box, and I've got a few balloons to show you. First things first is this purple one, that says Stroke Association. I'm going to blow it up in a minute for you. A nice yellow one, a nice blue one. My dog's looking out the window. So let's just quickly do the one video for you guys and girls. It is Thursday, so yeah, big shout out to everybody who's watched my videos, Tango Baldy, Super Smiley Scratch Cards, and everybody else. And if you're just on my channel, welcome. My name's Mr. B. Trying to look out the window, trying to look over to see if anyone's out there. What is that sky guy? It's nice out there. Nice. That's one of them. I really want to pop it, but I've got my dog with me and it might scare her. So, what we could do is... It might have fun, but it might not. Come on. Yeah, I thought it was going to go bang, but obviously it didn't. But there's the balloon now. Look at that. I'm going to go indoors with this. Really, really stormy out here. Unbelievable. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys soon for another one. Have a great day, have a great afternoon. Make sure to have a nice weekend too. I'll catch up with you soon for another video about balloons. Hopefully next week, when my friend sent me some American balloons. So he's sending me some really beautiful spray 16-inch balloons, which I can't wait to see. That guy's bang, it's really loud. Right, thank you guys and girls, I'll see you soon for another video. Bye for now.